NRIs and possession of properties in India, an ongoing saga. People who are living abroad have got properties back home in India. They have been taken over by somebody else. Either it's a tenant who refuses to vacate, या कोई रिश्तेदार है जिसके साथ joint property है. He says he's been in possession for years together, or in your absence, somebody has broken into a property. Now, remedies are there to get back your possession. The point is, what category does this person come in? Is he a joint owner with you? Is he a tenant? Or somebody has trespassed into the property? People feel who are living abroad कि जो property उसकी इंडिया में है और उस पे किसी ने कब्जा कर लिया है, 20 साल की litigation लगेगी और कभी उसको relief नहीं मिलेगा. Like it's said, तारीख पे तारीख. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. Remedies हैं, पर provided आप सही remedy apply कर रहे हैं. आप ये नहीं कह सकते किसी ने ट्रेसपास कर लिया है तो आप उसको टेनेंट बना लें, या अगर वो कोई टेनेंट है, you are saying he's in illegal possession. So every situation, every circumstance is different. The remedy has to be applied accordingly. Now I'll give you an example that we had this client, Mr. Matharu, who lives in the US. Mr. Matharu one day called me up and he says, Monisha, somebody has taken over my property. The search that you were doing for the property, उस पे तो किसी ने कब्जा कर लिया है. मुझे अभी I got a call from my relative. I'm like, it is not possible if it's a plot of property and somebody has, and nobody can just take over a possession of the property. Any which ways, while we were doing the search, we found some property in his name. He gave me a number and an address for the property. So any which ways, my team went to the concerned property to see that who has taken over the possession of the property. Shockingly, this property was not in possession. In fact, इस plot पे तो घर बना हुआ है. पिछले 4 साल से कोई घर बना के उस प्रॉपर्टी पे बैठा है. वो पोजेशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, वो तो उनके साथ फ्रॉड हुआ है. सो दिस केस totally turned around for us because this was not only an issue of possession, there were other issues which collectively came along with this issue because उसमें fraudulent sale हो गई थी in his absence. Now, similarly, there have people who say that we gave the property, 10 years ago, we entered into an agreement with somebody and we gave the property to somebody on rent. But the rent has been collected in cash. Kabhi rent agreement sign nahi kara, but they are calling them as tenants. And smart some tenants are. They know that there is no document. बिजली का बिल वो अपने नाम पे करा चुके हैं, पानी का बिल वो अपने नाम पे करा चुके हैं, और आप उनको टेनेंट प्रूव ही नहीं कर सकते. So do you fall under the Rent Act or not is also a question. So similarly, my friends, there are people जिनकी प्रॉपर्टी घर बंद पड़ा हुआ है, उनका रिश्तेदार को पता है कि चाचा ताए के बेटे को पता है कि जी घर खाली पड़ा हुआ है, and they break the locks and enter into the property. So many cases, so many. It's not, and it's sad that this is happening to people who are living abroad and their properties are completely not looked after. In fact, they believe that property है, lock करके चले जाओ तो कोई enter नहीं करेगा, but होता है यहाँ. There's a history to it, or circumstances are such that this happens. But it is not तारीख पे तारीख. There are remedies. हर चीज का एक solution होता है. You have to go to the court sometimes you have to go to the police, and sometimes you have to go to different authorities to get your answers and your solutions. And I'm sure आप ये जब सुन रहे हो, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने who can relate to this video or have heard similar stories and know of people who need assistance and help. I and my team, with this gamut of experience of helping NRIs, can surely assist each one of you and guide you correctly.